Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can use ChatGPT for writing. So whether you're writing short ebooks or longer story type books, I can show you that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to ChatGPT. I'm going to type I am writing a short ebook about stopping dogs barking at the door in under 7 days. And you can also ask ChatGPT to give you ideas about what you want to use as your topic for your YouTube for your book. And then I'm going to write, can you write me a 100 not 100 page, like 20 page ebook on this topic, and then you just want to go and click on send. Now ChatGPT says absolutely I can write a full 20 page ebook on how to stop your dog barking at the door in under 7 days. Okay, so it says before I start I want to clarify a few things. So I'm going to write here, 1, friendly. Okay, and then 2, I want to be in PDF, and then I basically confirm those 2 things, and then ChatGPT is going to go ahead and analyze and then actually write this 20 page ebook for me, and it's as simple as that. So like I said, if you don't have any idea about what sort of writing you want to do, you can ask ChatGPT to give you various topics about certain things, and it'll give you ideas for your ebook. So it's just going to analyze and then write the ebook, and it's as simple as that. So if this video helped you out, drop a like on it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.